Iconic Energy provides cost-effective clean energy to people in Illinois and Wisconsin. The incentives and rebates and cost savings alone are what make it a viable product. We work with government agencies and utility to provide the cost-effective, most simple way of providing homeowners their own power. The vision of Iconic Energy is to provide homeowners and business owners clean energy that they control. A lot of homes and businesses all over the world have to pay whatever the utility makes them pay every month of the year. If you don't pay, you don't have power. So what Iconic Energy does, puts the power in their hands. Some people say that renewable energy is an industry that's killing jobs, and in fact, renewable energy is providing jobs all over the world for manufacturing solar panels, inverter, racking, and all other components, let alone your local people that are installing the product.